Why is this magnet floating when it's not even near another magnet? It all has to do with this disk. Yttrium is a superconductor. In order for a superconductor to work, it has to be super cold. Liquid nitrogen allows us to lower the temperature of that disk to negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit. Once a superconductor becomes cold enough, and once you place a magnet on top of it, the superconductor creates an opposing magnetic force that repels or pushes against the magnet.
No matter what happens next, this will be spectacular. Think about the forces that are acting on the glass right now before I even start. Gravity is this force that acts on mass and pulls it toward anything else with mass. Gravity is pulling down, table's pushing up. Those two forces are in balance right now. And this is great, because when forces are balanced like that, objects remain at rest. The bottom of the glass and the top of the tablecloth are in contact. Here we go.
How did I make this beaker disappear? Here I have a clear beaker and a container of vegetable oil. Half submerged, you can still see it. But when I fully submerge it, gone. It's all about refraction, which is how much light slows down and bends when it travels through a material. And different materials bend light differently. That's why a pencil or a straw looks offset in a glass of water. But glass and oil have the same index of refraction, which means they bend light the same way.